If you're going to be outside today, we really want you to take it easy. Just avoid the strenuous activity and just take frequent breaks, stay hydrated, and make sure you have a place to get into the shade if you do have to be outside, because it's going to be rough over the next several hours. In fact, we're now heading into the peak daytime heating hours of the day, really between now and before the sun sets at 8 p.m. Those temperatures will be on the upward trend. And we also have some storms that have started to develop in northern Indiana. Aside from the heat, these are also becoming dangerous, as we've had a couple of warnings issued in northern Indiana. Right now, this watch is now in effect for White County over to Jay County, and then counties north all the way through 5 p.m. These storms potentially packing a punch here with 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and we could also see some hail out of some of these. Now, right now, we do not have any warnings in effect, so that's a good thing. And it looks like most of these storms are going to be contained to the northern tier of the state over the next several hours. We've been watching this storm cluster develop. It happened all the way over near the Quad Cities, and over the past several hours, it's moved its way into northern Indiana. And as far as the storm track goes, that's where it looks like it's going to stay. That's where the atmosphere has a lot of energy to work with. It's moving into a zone here where we have dew point temperatures in the low to mid 70s. So going to tap into some of that moisture, which is why the Storm Prediction Center adjusted the outlook a little bit for today. So all of our counties here highlighted in yellow under that risk that we could see those stronger storms over the next few hours. Here's the latest storm track from now through about 2 p.m. So the next couple of hours here set to move into places like Kokomo, Marion, Peru, and then areas north, tracking through Marion and then eventually exiting the state by about 4 p.m. into Ohio. So you can see if you're kind of outside of that zone in northern Indiana, not necessarily anticipating any storm activity. It's going to be a mixture of sun and clouds, that high heat and humidity before we lose that daytime heating. And another round of storms sets up during the overnight hours. So in the meantime, we're looking at heat indices right now already starting to get into the triple digits. 100 in Shelbyville, 99 in Muncie and in Kokomo, only expected to climb over the next few hours between 103 and 108, which is why this heat advisory is going to remain in effect through 8 o'clock this evening. As far as your planner goes, going to be a hot one. We'll fast forward through about 6 p.m. Still going to be at 90 degrees, 86 by 8 o'clock, and then that sky clearing by 9 p.m. as we drop to 84 as the sun sets at 8:46 for today. And then overnight tonight, we're going to keep it warm and muggy. A stray storm possible, especially to areas north. 76 degrees to get Thursday started. Hot and humid again tomorrow. Really no change with highs back in the low 90s. This is when things do change. We're monitoring this cold front. It's set to arrive in the morning on Friday. It will bring more widespread showers and thunderstorms, but it'll be much needed here. As this boundary passes through, high pressure will build in behind it, and it's completely going to change our air mass around. We're going to go from dew point temperatures today through Friday in the 70s back into the 50s. It's going to feel really nice as we get into the weekend. Hanging on to that heat and humidity in the meantime, though. 90 Friday with afternoon showers and storms. 81 for both Saturday and Sunday with some sunshine. And we are seasonal in the low to mid 80s heading into the first part of next week.